This video will demonstrate how to test your distance measuring equipment with the T-Rex. This will require setting up the T-Rex outside of the aircraft, and validating the results in the cockpit. To configure the DME test, select Tests from the top navigation bar. Under the test list select DME, and then Test Config. From this page, you will need to specify your current test configuration. Set the coupler or coax loss if you are using a direct connection to the DME. And set the distance in feet between the DME antenna and the T-Rex. This only applies if the internal or an external antenna is being used. Once the test is configured, navigate to Tests, then DME, and select Test. From this page, you can configure the test in various scenarios. Select the paired VOR or ILS frequency of the DME. Set the initial distance between your aircraft and the ground station. And select your aircraft's velocity. Make sure that if you are using an external antenna or a direct connection that the EANT or DRCT tabs are selected. Otherwise, the test will be conducted using the internal antenna. Note that an antenna coupler should only be attached to the direct connection port. Make sure that if you are using the internal antenna, that the backside of the T-Rex is pointed towards the antenna being tested. Once the parameters have been set, select Run. Refer to the aircraft's DME display to see if it shows an output consistent with the test parameters. Note that you can also modify the parameters on the T-Rex while the test is running, and the DME will react accordingly. The pass-fail criteria will be based on the associated airframe, avionics manufacturer, and regulatory requirements. Once a consistent output is displayed, select Cancel to conclude the test. You should now feel equipped to conduct your own DME test with the T-Rex.